Start. I would like to assure him and through him others that the demand for this additional dearness allowance has been received by the government and it is under consideration, and when we consider it we will have to take into account the overall budgetary position and resource mobilization stock, but certainly it is under the consideration of the government, and the government is not in any way less concerned than any other party or section of the house stock. The same applies to pensioners stock. It is true that four installments of additional dearness allowance to pensioners are due, and this is also under our consideration stock. But I would like to remind the House that each additional installment of DA costs the exchequer something, and costing the exchequer means costing the poor society at large stock. It will be rupees 47 or 50 crores for each installment of additional dearness allowance plus what will be costing for pensioners stock. Therefore, it is quite a substantial sum, and therefore, when the budget is placed before the House, all these things will be taken into consideration, and even now, these are under the active consideration of the government stock era. Second thing is about the plant which was referred to by the honorable member stock. I think this is one of those plants of which we really have to be very happy, because this is one of those items through which we shall be earning a lot of foreign exchange, and it is not the quantum of the foreign exchange alone involved. There is the modern technology, the sophisticated technology we will be gaining, and the future market stock. I think we have to take into consideration all these things in capturing the foreign market and keeping an overall view of things which will be required in future, and combining that along with the foreign exchange. I think this is one of the items to which the honorable member will not object, and I think he should welcome it stock. The other point is about the textile mills stock. It is true, and also as the honorable members are aware, the National Textile Corporation was set up to go into the question of how to rehabilitate or modernize these sick mills which have a large employment potential also stop. All these matters were taken up with the Prime Minister, and I think this has also been considered in all its aspects by the Commerce Ministry. Stop.